Yeah, so... Yeah, my thoughts so far are, you know, it's just the front line. Front line's got to be better. Got to be better. That's much better, though. Much better. Flick on there by DCL did well. That's what we want to see. Leeds corner, I think. Or a throw. Yeah, corner. It's got to be better, though, hasn't it? That last corner was minging. God, it was awful. Yeah, it really favours the front posters here as well. Stack's just the out. Well, it's an outswinger, isn't it? And it favours Sanchez as well. We've got to get across the front, man. Ball played into the box. Better ball in. Don't shoot. Why is Tanaka shooting? Is he all right? Is he all right? What's wrong with it? He almost seems like overstimulated. Like Al Tanaka on a regular occurrence takes that ball down, lads, and he puts the ball back out to Anton Stack to deliver it again, doesn't he? Why is he shooting? Stop shooting. Someone tell Al Tanaka to stop shooting. Esteval's down again. He's defo coming off at half-time, complaining to the referee. Beal goes home. Bizarre from Tanaka, though, that. Villa 2 up. Right result that for Villa if they get it. Brilliant result. Some manager in Emery. Got to keep winding that Esteval up. There's a red card. Problem, we need him to get a red in the next 4 minutes because he's getting brought off. There's no way he starts in that second half. I'd be stunned. Leeds go down the line. Oh, we win it back. We win it back, can we? Jaden Bogle. Oh, pass it. Yeah! Oh, my God! Oh, my God! Yeah! Oh, my God! Tanaka! Oh, God. Why do I do watch-alongs? Yes! Oh, my God, Tanaka. Oh, my God. His shooting's been abysmal. His shooting has been abysmal all game. I've told... What did I say? It's always me. Why do I do these? I was so much better prepared when I didn't do watch-alongs. Oh, my God. Tanaka told him to stop shooting literally 20 seconds ago. He's absolute... Look at this. Good recovery from Mecha. Bogle wins it first. Tanaka, it's an unbelievable goal. It's an unbelievable goal. Stop shooting. Missile from Tanaka. It's 2-0. Get in. Chaz, I'll say it, mate. Mate, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What have I said? He's overstimulated. Oh, my God. Oh, I need a Balotelli top. You know, why is it always me? Every time. Stop shooting out Tanaka. He's overstimulated in this game. Stop shooting. Of course. Oh, shit. The Connor curse strikes again, Dino. Bang on, mate. It's always me. Why is it always me? Right, always most vulnerable when you've scored. Brilliant. Come on. Come on. Kittens. Paddy Shield. Oh, Liam Delap. Well done, Ampadu. Yes, I'm just gonna say stop shooting Tanaka. Bale's crap. They're all crap. Oh God, it's always me. Why is it? Oh, just shut up. Just shut up. See, I try and like analyze the games, but by analyzing the games, I put myself into a void of being wrong at certain points. Rarely, but wrong at certain points.